Hey guys, welcome to Extreamfilmaking. This right here is a brand new computer and I decided to do an unboxing video for you guys today. So here we go. I'm going to unbox this computer. And alright, here we go. This must be the charger for it. Here it is. Here's the computer. Put that aside. Pretty good, guys. Got the charger for it. This is awesome. We got the computer, got it out of the box. Just gotta take this tape off. Yes, brand new computer. Yes! Alright, this is awesome. I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic wrap. This is cool. This is almost like my old one, but it's a little bit newer. So, and it has more gigs of RAM. It has 8 gigs of RAM, which is awesome. So it should be faster. Alright, there's some tape on here. I'll take that off later. Alright guys, so this is my computer. It is a Dell. It has 8 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of storage. I'm really excited to start using this thing. I should be able to record Minecraft without any lag. And I should be able to stream without any lag. So, let's hope for the best. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, leave a comment down below and a like. And that's basically it guys. I'll see you guys next Friday with a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching.